So my first chainsawman read-through actually did pretty decent, and some people were asking for a part 2, so I don't really mind. I love reading Chainsaw Man, so let's just get on with it. It's just my stomach's growling. We haven't eaten yet either. Let's get something simple at the rest stop. Sorry, but I don't have any cash. Just have what you want, I'll cover it, huh? You look weird half naked, so put this on. People just call me filthy or soggy reek. They're not getting any closer to me. This is the first time someone was nice to me. And she's a damn fine looking woman too. I'm in love. I'll have an udon and a corn dog? That okay? Sure. Help me! I'm a public devil hunter. Did something happen? The devil kidnapped my daughter. My daughter got dragged into the woods. Curry udon order up. My curry udon. What was your name? I'm Denji. Denji. My udon will get soggy, so take care of the devil without me. But I got an udon too. An excellent devil hunter will go help your daughter. It could get dangerous though, so please stay inside. You forgot? You're my pet now. All you get to say is yes or woof. I don't need a dog that says no. Just don't need that mean. I heard a rumor from a judge I know that dogs we can't use get euthanized. So, my noodles are gonna get soggy. Get the lead out. Your response? Yes. I thought she was nice. I've been starting to fall for her. But she's a goddamn psycho. Don't treat me like a fucking dog. Fuck. That's reminding me that Pochita's dead. I'm begging you, please forgive this devil. Say what? My father hits me when he gets angry. When he hit me in the parking lot today. The devil helped me. So please, don't kill him. Dogs we can't use get euthanized. Hey, think you could both just run away? Huh? I had a friend that was devil, so I know that there are nice ones too. If I can just ignore him, I'll get killed, so can you just run away from me? Is that okay? It's fine, it's fine. Yes, no way I lose now. The fuck is this? I'll show you something nice before you die. I'm a muscle demon, so I can control any muscle I'm touching. I'm gonna have fun with this female runt now. So you can just sit there like a good boy. Good. I was just killing a piece of shit like you. I'll sleep like a baby tonight. That hurts. I see you're a dog I can use. Woof. Whoops. Smells so good. You okay? Sorry, the chainsaw cuts you when it comes out. I lost too much blood and got a bit of animatic, I think. How Jenna with a body like that. Devil had a pet became my heart. Unbelievable, right? I don't want to believe it either. Pochita dying to save me is just... Your condition is entirely unheard of, but there aren't many historical precedents. So few that there isn't even a name for it yet. I believe you though. My nose is especially good, so I can tell. Your friend is still alive inside of you. Not in a romantic sense either. Your body has the smell of a human and a devil. Great. That's the fucking best. I'm gonna eat some udon. You're pretty shaky. Can you eat that on your own? I can. I can't. Delicious. Woof. Calling soggy udon delicious. Not bad. You really are like a dog. What is your name? Makima. Miss Makima. Is there a kind of guy or something you like? People like you, Denji. Like you? Ain't that me then?